Southern Belle up here getting ready to check out the house in progress here. Oh, it sounds so pretty out here. Look at all those rocks. I got a rock. Good morning. How are you doing? Look at the carport, guys.
Yeah.
Look at here, guys. Look at the house. This is Miss Southern Belle's house in progress.
Okay, this is the living room.
You can say all that.
All right, this is the living room, okay? Kitchen's gonna be right here. And that's the dining room. Then you're gonna go out here onto the screened-in porch. This is a screened-in porch, and then off the screened-in porch, we're gonna have a little porch.
That's my sister's telling you all this.
Here's where this thing's gonna be arranged. Now we're gonna go into Susan's part of the house.
Southern Belle.
Southern Belle. Powder room.
That's the powder room.
No, that's the pantry. Hold on.
That's the pantry.
Here is the powder room.
That's the powder room, see?
Here's Susan's office.
This is my office, guys. Miss Southern Belle's office. See all those pretty windows I get to look out?
Anyway, there's a door here. There's a door coming off here. This is your garage.
That's my garage, guys. I got a 2-car garage.
That's the washroom. You're in charge of laundry. All right, come on down the hall. Keep going straight.
Look at that's the bathroom right there.
That's your restroom. This is your closet right in here. Right up, go through here. That's your clothes closet right there.
Wow.
All of that. That's your clothes closet.
Look at all that clothes closet, guys.
All right, this is your shower,
Shower. Toilet.
You'll have a bench right there, so when you come out of the shower, that's your sink. And you got some more sink here.
Sinks.
Here's your
Sinks.
bedroom.
This is my bedroom.
So the windows are up high.
Oh, good. I like them better up high. And I'll be looking out this window saying, Romeo, Romeo, where forth I, Romeo? And that barn's gone.
Now this is the niche section. So if you put your bed right here, okay,
Yeah.
so you could do a chair like right there, and maybe put two.
My windows are up high.
Yeah, that's good. People can't see it.
Okay. Okay, guys, you get to see a little preview of what it looks like. We're here to do the electricity. This is Miss Southern Belle saying, keep your faith as a mustard seed and rock on.